Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Mukesh Nadi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a recommended action to the opportunity. Within opportunity, sales organization use account intelligence, sales action, historical sales analysis to help salespeople to increase their win rate by setting win probability and providing multiple recommended per opportunity. So you can display the recommended action and win probability column on the opportunity list page, and you can display a recommended action section in the win probability field on the edit opportunity page. So I'm going to show you how to add a recommended action and win probability on the edit opportunity page. So let's move to the application. First, we see the opportunity edit page. So click on the navigator, click on the in the cells, click on the opportunities. In the opportunity list, let's select one opportunity from the list. So I'm going to select first one. Now this is the edit opportunity page. So in this page, you can see there is no any field regarding to recommended action and win probability. So I'm going to add a recommended action and win probability over here. Okay, click on 7 flows. So whenever I add a field, we have to create a sandbox. So let's create one sandbox. So click on navigator and go to the configuration part. So this is the configuration. Click on that and click on the sandboxes. Let's open it. So let's create one sandbox. Create a sandbox. Click on the create sandbox button. Now let's input the name of the sandbox. So I'm going to input BISP underscore recommended. Actions. So now I select one tool from the list. So I'm going to select application composer and click on create enter. So this is the sandbox. So in this way you can create a sandbox. So now in the vision, upper side of vision, you can see a active sandbox over here. Now again click on the navigator and let's move on to the application composer in the configuration part. So in the configuration part, let's click on the application composer. In application composer, let's expand the standard object. So let's expand it. So we are going to add a field. We are going to add fields in the opportunity. So let's select the opportunity in the standard object. So scroll down. So let's expand it. Opportunity. Now click on the pages. So we are on the opportunity page. So we have to ensure that we are on the application page sub tab. So scroll down, and in the landing page layout table, let's select the standard layout, and we have to create a duplicate layout. So in order to create a duplicate layout, click on this duplicate landing page layout. Click on that after selecting the standard layout. So let's put the duplicate layout name. So I'm going to enter BISP underscore BISP recommended. Click on save and edit. It will take few seconds to complete it. Now we are on the landing page layout. So in this page, let's edit this table. In the configuration detail form, select the recommended action and win probability from the available field. So I'm going to select see this is the recommended action. Let's select it and move to the selected field. Now again scroll down and go to the win probability. So I'm going to select win probability and add to the selected field. Okay. Click on save and close. Now click done. Now scroll down again and go to the detail page layout. In the page layout, we have to select standard layout and create one duplicate. So scroll down. Select this standard layout and click on this duplicate detail page layout. Let's enter the name of this layout. So I'm going to input BISP underscore. Click on save and edit. will take few seconds to complete this process. So in the custom detail layout page, let's scroll down. In the summary subtab, edit page, edit icon, click on this edit icon. In the configuration detail form, let's select the recommended action from the available field and move to the selected field. Again, I'm going to down and select win probability and then move to the selected field. Now click on save and close. Again, click on done. So I'm done with my process. Let's test the changes we just done, just made. Now click on this navigator icon. Now click on the cells, click on the opportunities. Let's open one opportunity. In the added opportunity page, we can see a recommended action and win probability fields gets displayed. So this is how you can add a recommended action and win probability on the added opportunity page in the Oracle Fusion application. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.